Hi there, Valerie and Steve, and this is just a personal response to your question which you asked, which is the fatal error, class Mage Google checkout helper data not found in, and then your path. And actually, we had this exact same problem too on our guide site, and it was because Magento did an automatic update in simple servers, which is normally something you would want to happen, but in this case it actually broke something, and to solve it is actually very straightforward. Now, I didn't know what the answer was, so what I did was that I popped over to a website called stackoverflow.com and posed a question, and one of the guys there, Simon H, just popped in the notes from the Magento Community Edition release notes for 1.8 and later, and in there they've actually covered the answer to this, which is that we need to log into the server remotely using FTP, and we then need to remove some files, okay, and then this error will go away. Okay, so right now I've got this error on our site, and again I'm assuming you've got the same error on your site, and I've just reload the page, and this is where I've gone off to manage, say, system and configuration from the main menu. Okay, now what I've been and done is that I've been and logged in remotely using FTP into our site, and we need to navigate to a specific directory. So I'm just going to go back here to look at the instructions which we've got here on the left. Okay, so they suggest going to app, so there's our app directory. Then we need to go into code, so I'm going to go into the code directory. Then we need to go into the Mage category or folder directory. Then we need to go into Google Checkout, so Google Checkout, which is there, and then we need to go into the etc etc category, and let me just delete that folder a moment for you. Okay, and what they're suggesting is that we delete all the files other than the config.xml file. Now, I'm not a fan of deleting files willy-nilly, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a new directory, and I'm going to call that directory old. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab all the files bar the config.xml file, and I'm just going to drag and drop that into the old directory, which will stop them from working, but we've still been and left the config.xml file available for us. So I'm now going to move that off my screen, go back to our Magento site, and I'm going to hit reload, and ta-da, she's working for you. So Steve and Val, I hope that's been and helped you, and anybody else watching this, that's how you solve the error where it says that Mage Google Checkout helper data not found on line 547. I hope that's helped. Cheerio, bye.